Jungle greetings. I am Reniel Galang from University of Cabuyao, Pamantasan ng Cabuyao. And I'll be discussing about how robots perceive and interact with the environment using the simple simulation of ultrasonic sensor and an LED. Let's try to simulate. Here we connected the HCSR04, its pins, VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, trig to pin 9, echo to pin 10, and the LED is connected to the digital pin 5 with 220 ohms resistor and the cathode for the ground for this one. Let's take a look with our code. Okay. This is a provided code. Okay, first we define the pins and then we set up. Oh, we also have here we can see our serial monitor is displaying distance equals 2.9 kilometers. Okay. You can see it here. So basically, when an object is detected by the ultrasonic sensor, the LED will light up. So that's how our code works. Okay. So let's try to remove the object. And yeah, the LED will turn off. Okay. So here in our codes, I modified the distance, the parameter in our condition. The original was 10 centimeters, and so I changed it to 300. So when we put the object in front of the vicinity or the proximity of the sensor, the LED lights up. And when we remove it, the LED will turn off. You can also see the distance here in our serial monitor. This is not so accurate. So that's it for our sensor and perception activity. You can also see here our schematic. I also generated the schematic. And the bill of materials. That's it. So thank you for listening.